I have no clue what just happened. I'll just start where I was cut off. Okay. Night of bad dreams, sad things. Tell me what that means. And I don't wanna be alone, scared, don't let the sun go. I'm not ready for the darkness, swear upon a heartless soul. Don't wanna cry when you go, stay a little longer, you know, you're making me feel the monsters are real. You're making me feel not alone. Ooh, I'm not alone. Ooh. Thanks everybody. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened in the middle of it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you again.